Here, hold this. Just hold it. Blake, please hold it for a second. Thank you. All right. The contents inside of it. Yo! Oh my god, we gotta get this guy a lift.
I don't like to get beat like this. Who rang this up?
Give me a minute. I'll pay for it. I'll pay for it. Sorry.
Corinne, how many orders of eggs is on here? No, I'm not yelling.
I'm never taking you anywhere again.
I took you. You didn't take me.
I will pay for myself.
No, Corinne. You ordered. So let me tell you what Corinne did.
Headache.
According to this, mine was $11.99. This is hers. Turkey bacon $6.99.
Massive headache.
They got one side of sausages on here for $6.99. She claims is a mistake. Here go another side order eggs for $6.99. Egg whites they charge $1. Another side order of one egg for $4.99, and another egg white for $1. Come on, this is unacceptable. I don't know.
This restaurant.
No.
Honestly, I'm just gonna go ahead and ask you to
respect me.
Yeah. I respect you, man.
But
she ordered $30 on the whole damn bill. My bill's $44. Look, cold ass. I didn't pay for little bacon and eggs. No, hell no. I don't want to be taken advantage of, okay?
You don't behave like
I behave the right. Where's mine, ma'am?
Yeah, you don't behave. I'm going to take an Uber out of here.
Take a fucking Uber out of here. Go, give me my shit. I don't care.
You need to go from this restaurant.
You take your shit. I don't give a fuck about you or this restaurant. You got the game twisted.
God.
No, you're wrong. You don't care. I was paying the bill, so you don't care how many times. No, this lady over here steadily always take advantage of me.
You need to kick her out.
I didn't order.
Oh my God,
no.
Dan,
Yeah. Whatever. She wrong. She take advantage of me, and then there's all kinds of mistakes on the bill, ma'am. Thank you. That's mine.
No, I'm just gonna take a shower first. Hey, Jesus Christ. Slanderous moments. Yeah, yeah.
Y'all got any crack? Y'all got any crack? Got any of them more, any more of them, I don't know. Y'all got any more crack? I'm a crazy motherfucker, bro.
Dude, what do you want?
Yeah.
SUVs. Or one car and driver says has the ride quality of crossovers that cost twice as much. What's that route? Automotive experts are so inspired with the test drive during Mazda's season of
Hey.
Yeah.
Get the fuck out of my house.
You gotta go?
Yeah, you gotta go now.
Okay. Yeah. You want to move?
I'm about to fucking sock your face in if you don't get up now and make haste.
I'm going.
No, get out now.
I'm heading out. I gotta get up, right? Yeah. Oh, what you doing? What are you doing? Whoa, bro, you broke my shit.
Oh, sorry.
You fucking serious, dude?
Well, let this guy get the fuck out of the house, okay?
What?
Get the fuck out of my house. No. Wait, let me see your resident camera.
Don't stop. Stop. Let him go. Let him
stop, bro.
Let him go.
Stop,
man.
bro.
Get out of here.
What the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, so you making out with him. Get shut up, bitch! Watch my fist.
Watch my fucking ass walk away.
Yeah, get up.
I wasn't making out with her, dude.
Yeah, well, watch my fist.
Okay.
Go downstairs.
I'm going.
Now.
I'm going.
Go down now.
I'm not gonna go down the stairs with you behind me. Step the fuck back.
Are you gonna knock I'm gonna knock your ass out and I'm gonna drag your ass downstairs.
Walk back and I'll walk down the stairs.
Dude, I don't want to do this.
I don't want to either.
Then go. Then go now.
I'm not gonna let you push me on the stairs. Please walk back.
I'm not putting my hands on you.
Walk back.
Do it yourself.
Walk back. Dude, I'm not going down these fucking stairs. I'm not going down these stairs with you, dog. Back the fuck up.
Don't touch me.
I didn't touch you.
Go.
I'm not walking down. You're gonna push me. I'm fucking get the fuck up.
You get the fuck out of my fucking house.
I'm gonna back the fuck up.
I'll fucking fuck you up right now.
Dog, back up.
You don't want to see it.
I don't want to see it.
These guys don't want to see it either.
Back the fuck
Didn't
up.
leave. Didn't leave.
I'm not walking down these stairs. Nope. Dog, get the fuck off me, dog.
Hey, stop! Stop! No, let go!
Bro, you need to get the fuck out of here. I'm going
out of here
to.
now, bitch.
Oh, dude, you sucking me? You call?
Get out now. Get out now.
Walk the fuck away.
No, this is my house.
I'm gonna back the fuck up.
Leave.
I'm not going down these stairs with you pushing me and punching me, dude. I'm not going down these fucking stairs.
I will knock you the fuck out.
I'm not back up. Go in your room.
No.
Go in your room, dude.
Let him go.
Are you fucking serious?
You
Yeah, go.
Are you, dude? Back the fuck off.
Go then.
Stop!
I'm not going down those stairs when you're socking me, dude.
No, let him go. Thank you.
He's like.
Jesus, don't.
Yeah, you don't have much of an ear.
What?
Go. Let him fucking go.
I mean, I got you assaulting me on camera, so who wins?
Alright, let him go.
Who wins? I got you assaulting me on camera, you dumb fuck.
Apparently you, but I can tell you much
Leave,
more about you.
leave, motherfucker, leave.
I'm going. Have a good night.
Good night.
Hello, mate.
Hi, how are you?
What are you up to? Come on over here.
What's going on?
We've been called. You've possibly got a knife on you.
I don't have a knife
Alright,
on
we're
me.
going to be searching the section 1 of PACE, okay, for a bladed article.
I don't have a knife on me. I can show you, sir.
Okay, well, we're going to
It's
search
prank
anyway.
callers, sir.
Okay, well, we just need to
Miss,
check.
okay, miss, it's prank callers. I'm live right now.
Where have you been?
No, just...
Let's just take this off.
Okay.
Oh, no, don't answer. I can take it off my back.
Okay, right, take it off your back.
I can't, because he's holding my arm. I have to unclip it.
Jason Lingard is a 1970 date of birth, fascist, violent, mental health.
I have to unclip this.
Right, listen to me. You detained the birth of so
I don't have a knife, I swear to God.
We're going to search you anyway. That's all it's about. So just remain nice and calm.
Okay.
Alright, if you haven't got a knife, you haven't got a knife.
I don't know where your secret.
No, but I will fuck you up. Man to man. What's it? Come here. What's it? Man to man. I will fuck you up, dude. Give me my fucking cigarettes. Now.
I don't have your secret.
Where are they?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No. I don't keep it.
I cannot only drinking, you fucking stupid piece of shit. Oh my god. Who's that? Who's that? Oh, ski mask. Hello? I don't know why I hang up. Are you the real ski mask? You sound like the real ski mask. Yes. I think you are the real ski mask. Yeah, very good. What? Where's my wife? My wife is back home. And you're going to fuck her in the ass? Okay, you really sound like a ski mask, ain't you? I just want to tell you, next time I see you, I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you, okay, my little boy? I will fuck you up, dude. I'm gonna fucking kill you, man. Don't say you wanna fuck my wife in the ass. I'm going to fucking kill you. If you say that, I will fucking kill you. Goodbye. Goodbye.